Safety on the road is paramount. Today, we explore the top safety-rated cars in the world. First up, the Volvo XC90. Known for its advanced safety features, the XC90 has consistently received top marks from the IIHS and Euro NCAP. It boasts a collision avoidance system, multiple airbags, and a reinforced frame to keep you and your loved ones safe. Next, the Subaru Outback. With its symmetrical all-wheel drive and EyeSight driver assist technology, it's built for safety on all terrains. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking are just a few features that make the Outback a top safety pick. Then we have the Tesla Model 3. This electric marvel has earned top safety ratings from NHTSA and Euro NCAP. Equipped with autopilot, multiple sensors, and a rigid safety cell, the Model 3 ensures maximum protection. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class combines luxury with cutting-edge safety. It features active brake assist, pre-safe registered trademark technology, and a suite of driver assistance systems. These technologies work together to prevent accidents and protect passengers in case of a collision. These cars represent the pinnacle of automotive safety. Which one would you trust for your family's safety? Let us know in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe for more insights on the safest cars on the road.